taken the head off, it doesn't look too bad in here. There's some water and oil, obviously, as the head dripped, but the pistons don't look too bad or too coked. The only thing I'm seeing, which is a bit of a concern, is this. I think that's the underside of the gasket. I don't know why. Whether that's just a symptom of these gaskets, or whether it's overheating and sticking, or what have you. It's the only place, a little bit of red along there. But generally, looks pretty good. All the bolts, head bolts, came out pretty well. Nothing seized up on that, which is great. So yeah, this is just a piece of wood to stop the exhaust from getting in the way. Anyway, we'll see. And this is the head. Again, looks pretty good, apart from the stuff that I took it off for, which is this kind of grit in the oil. I don't know what it is. I don't think it's metallic. It doesn't have an iron filingsy feel. It's everywhere. It's inside the rocker cover as well. But I don't know. It doesn't seem to have got, well, I don't know if it's got in the engine or not, but these are unusual. Both of these two valves are very, very mushroomy in colour, as are these two, but the end ones aren't. I think those are the exhaust valves, aren't they? So I don't know whether it's running a bit lean or something, but again, not in horrible condition. So I think we're going to have to keep on digging. I'm not sure what we're going to do about the stuff in the oil. I might drain the oil and drop the sump, drop the pan, see whether there's anything in there first. And then if that doesn't yield any explanation, I might have to take the engine out, which I kind of do and I don't want to do. Anyway, more to come.